Book of Heaven, Volume 11, October 2nd, 1916. Effects of Communion in the Divine Will. This morning I received communion in the way Jesus had taught me, that is, united with his humanity, his divinity, and his will, and Jesus on coming made himself seen, and I kissed him and clasped him to my heart. He returned my kiss and my embrace and told me,
"My daughter, how content I am that you have come to receive me united with my humanity, divinity, and will. You have renewed in me all the contentment I received when I communicated myself. And while you were kissing me and embracing me, since all of myself was in you, you contained all creatures, and I felt I was given the kiss of all, the embraces of all, because this was your will, as was mine in communicating myself, to return to the Father all the love of creatures, even though many would not love him. The Father made up for their love in me, and I make up for the love of all creatures in you, and having found in my will one who loves me, repairs me, etc., in the name of all, because in my will there is nothing that the creature cannot give me, I feel like loving creatures even if they offend me, and I keep inventing stratagems of love around the hardest hearts in order to convert them. Only for love of these souls who do everything in my will do I feel as though chained, captured, and I concede to them the prodigies of the greatest conversions.